Viewers, we have come with another interesting topic, a main door in Vastu. Please tell us the importance of the main door in Vastu.
Yes, the main door related to Vastu is very important. Not only important, it's very interesting also. The main door is like our mouth. We eat from our mouth, we drink, and whatever enters through our mouth, it gets into our digestive system. That is what it gets into our stomach. Now, suppose we eat good food, fresh food, only then our digestion is okay, and the health is built accordingly. Similarly, the main door of the house acts like a mouth of the human being. The main door actually serves for the pranic energy, the fresh air, to enter inside the house. The main door is so important that the door itself plays such a role that the human being, when he enters through the door, he gets inside with the energy that he has been carrying all through. In front of the door, there should not be a pillar. In front of the door, there should not be a lift. In front of the door, there should not be a flight of staircase going down, because you see, the door, in front of the door, if such things are there, then what happens? The stability of the pranic energy, the stability of the air will not be there at all. And when there will be no stability, the house inside also, the energy inside the house also will be very, very unstable. What do you mean by unstable? People living in the house will not have a stable life. The door is such an important aspect that it has to, when you enter the house, the door has to open inside. It should not open outside. It has a meaning. When you open the door and when the two leaves of the door or the two parts of the door, when it enters, well, the pranic energy actually enters, the fresh air actually enters inside the house. It should not be the opposite, the other way around. When you enter inside the door, you normally have a thinking, normally have a pattern of the, or a frame of mind where you have carried the energy, the thinking patterns, whatever, from your workplace, and you have entered the house. Now, the size of the door also matters. Generally, the main door should be in the height about 7 feet high and around about 4 feet in width. It should not have an arch on the top, and the door can have can be made in 2 leaves, or it can be made in a single leaf. But if you have a 4 feet wide door, naturally it should have 2 leaves door.
Independent houses have back doors also. Any advice on that?
Yes, you see, the front door allows all the pranic energy, the fresh air, and the energy level is so high, the positive energy that gets inside the house, that has to remain in the house, that has to get amalgamated with the members of the family, they are staying in the house. Now, you do a lot of other things in the house also. You meditate, you are doing meditation, somebody is singing bhajan, or somebody is reading a good book. So, all this creates a good level of energy. The energy level should remain in the house. The back door, if you are making, suppose a back door is there, generally it is there in the independent houses, not feasible in the flats. That door has to be smaller in size than the main front door.
And any direction you suggest?
Yes, you see the direction is also very, very important. The front main door should be facing east. Again, as I said, if the eastern part is not available, then at least northeast or at least north. It cannot be any other, then it creates a lot of problem.
And the back door facing?
Well, the back door facing as far as possible should be either west or south. That is the opposite of the main door. If the main door is facing east, the back door should be on the west. If the main door is facing north, the back door should be on the south.
Is there any color prescribed for the doors?
Yes, you see the doors are to be painted either in a light brown color or cream color or white color, or you can have very light shade of yellow. But it is a big no. You cannot have a black color door, a red or orange. These colors are not to be used.
You're talking about the back door or the front
Nay,
one?
for all the doors.
All the doors.
All the doors.
So mostly houses have the wooden doors, so it is acceptable in the Vastu?
Yes, in fact, all doors are made of wood, and what I generally find that doors are normally painted with brown color or cream color or white color. That's all right.
It's same for the back and the front and the rear.
It's not only front and rear; it is applicable to all the doors inside the house.
Should the main doors be in the centers or in the corners?
Yes, this is one question which a lot of people have asked me. The door should not be right at the center. Suppose you have a plot which is a rectangular or maybe a square one. The door should not be right at the center. It should be off center. Either it is off left, off right, but it should be off. Neither it should be at a corner. This is as per Vastu.
So in that case, you consider the whole plot size or the room size?
No, I am talking of the plot size. But you see, again the problem is in the multi-storied flats, this specification may not be available. So whatever is there, it has to be accepted. All that you can do is the door, you can decorate the door. You can have, the South Indians, they have a string of mango leaves on the top of the door. Well, it's a good thing to do. You can also place a small swastika on the door. That's also a very good thing to do. Door has to have a good aesthetic sense also. It should look nice.
So viewers, next Wednesday we'll come again with some interesting topic.